All right, so this is about making sure that you can source your images, but then of course give people credit where credit's due. There'll be a lot of kind of looking for different images, and sometimes people ask in other professional settings, ask where you got those images, and you need to keep receipts, right? So that's why I found this website. It's pretty easy and it's free to use. You'll be able to go ahead and create an easy bibliography. This would be great for your other classes as well. But I'm going to go ahead and kind of show you how this works. There's, of course, help here at the top if you need it. And it does explain a lot of features for this website down here. But I'm not creating an account or anything. I just want to be able to create a really easy bibliography, which I will ask for you to especially in your photo work, or if you're using it for mood boards, to paste that or copy paste that into text entry in Canvas. So you can do that even later as a comment would be fine. But I just want to make sure that everyone's keeping kind of track of all of these sources. So I'm going to look up, I'm going to open up Google and let's search. I'm going to go to images, search for cats. All right. Very beautiful. And then I'm going to go, of course, I want to make sure I can get a royalty-free image. So I'm going to go to advanced search and just make sure that I have, and there's a separate video on how to do this, but I want to make sure that I have it, maybe, here we go, free to use, share, or modify even commercially. So that means that I can do whatever I want to this image. And I'm actually don't care about any of these constraints here. Just want to make sure it's royalty free. Changes a lot of my options here. And of course, if this was a real assignment, I would probably look for larger type of formats, or I might have a specific format. But anyhow, let's go ahead and take a look-see. This looks like a beautiful cat. I'm going to go into here. And this is adorable animal cat. 2787 JPEG. So I'm going to go ahead and copy paste. So I'm going to copy just what my URL is into ZetroBib. Okay, and hit cite. And then it creates a small bibliography of like who made this. I don't know if this is really, let me just double check. Looking at the actual source material. Yeah, that's the description. Wow. So you can see that that's the author as well. So that's their online name, I guess. And I would be able to go ahead and I can copy paste this if I'd like. Or I can continue adding in more. So let's get another one. Let me just go up and then I'm going to change this to dogs. Okay. And it does have labeled for reuse with modification on, so that's great. This is very cute. We'll click into the image. Oh, it's on Pixabay. So it's interesting because Pixabay also has stock photos, but it looks like this person has made theirs completely open. So that's really great. Let me try and see if this will actually work in the way it should. All right, free image on Pixabay, and it tells you what it's called and when I access it. So that's actually really great. And you can see here that if I scroll down, I have all of these sites here, or the sources here. And then of course I can copy to clipboard, and clipboard meaning that would be my copy portion. And then if I go into, you know, any other kind of text file, I'll be able to paste it. So that's pretty self-explanatory. All right. But yeah, thank you guys so much. And I hope this makes things a little bit easier for you.